Hey guys, I hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to attempt to do flexi rods for the second time in my life. The first time I ever tried it was on straightened hair, I think almost 7 years ago. I think it was in 2014. I actually have it on my channel. I'm gonna try it again. But this time on blown out hair. I will be using these 9 by 16 inch flexi rods, and then this mousse def texture foam. I saw Kimberly Sherrill use this when she tried flexi rods once before, and so I picked it up from, it was either Target or Walmart, but you can get it at either place. So I got this. And then the flexi rods obviously from my beauty supply store. I have freshly washed my hair, deep conditioned it, and my hair has been blown out. So right now the only thing that's in my hair product wise is heat protectant. I'm not gonna apply anything extra, just the foam in my hair. I'm excited. I hope this turns out cute. What I'm going to do is actually braid my roots and then apply the flexi rod. I saw Quisha J do this using perm rods on her Instagram, and she braided her roots first, which I think is a really good idea, and I think it'll also make sleeping in these a lot easier, because the last time and the only time I ever applied flexi rods, that mess hurt and it was the worst sleep in my life, and I told myself I would never do flexi rods again because of how much pain they caused me. But here I am. So I'm gonna get my pray on that this does not hurt. I'm not really sure how I should be sectioning my hair. I have no idea. I'm just gonna go for it. Are these good sections? Is this a good section? I think that should be fine, I think. Right? That's a fine section. It's not too big, right? Yeah, I don't know. How do people section flexi rods? Let me know down below if you've done flexi rods. How did you part them? Because I don't feel like watching any videos. I just want to put these in my hair and go to sleep. I really hope this comes out good in the hood. So I'm gonna get the foam, shake, 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 shake. I do 1 squirt. Ooh, it actually smells good. Apply it to the section. Just like that, Jack. Braid it up at the root. I really want it flat at the root, so I'm gonna make sure I'm not braiding like too light, if that makes sense. I feel like that's good, right? I don't know. Grabbing a little bit more foam to apply. Flexi rod. I hope I'm doing this right. Oop, 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 oop. Apply a little bit more to really make sure that it stays on. Then I think curl it over this way. I don't know, guys. Does this look right? I think I did it. I don't know. Did I braid down too far? Figuring this out as I go. Let's try it again over here. Okay. full pump, rub, apply, braid, more flexi rod, wait, which way? I hope I'm doing this right. Okay, there's two in my head. I did this route way longer than this route. Alright, so I'm all done applying the flexi rods. I put 24 in total. Based off how it's feeling right now, I don't think that my head's gonna, I don't think I'm gonna have a hard time sleeping, basically, because I'm not feeling like crazy tension at my roots. I'm going to just put this jumbo bonnet on my head to sleep in and catch y'all in the morning or whatever. Good morning. I actually had a pretty pleasant sleep. Where do I start? Do I start in the back? I don't know. Where do I start for real though? Trying to be gentle. Okay, okay. Okay. I was excited at the beginning, but now this doesn't feel very promising. What do I do next? I don't know, y'all. I'm just gonna start separating them. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in my hands. So in case you can't tell, I'm not really feeling this. I stretched both sides. I look like somebody's granny, somebody's auntie, somebody's mama. It's just not cute. So I'm gonna go in on cool air with my blow dryer, cold air. Try to stretch this and see what we can do. That's how I feel like. Okay, guys. I love it. Alright, so I did more stretching. I did my makeup to help me not look like a child. For my first attempt at flexi rods, blown out hair, I think I did a really good job, and I think it came out so cute. The foam that I use, y'all need to get that. That's literally the only, minus the heat protectant, that's the only product in my hair. My hair feels good. It doesn't feel crunchy, but that thing, like that foam will put a super hold in your hair. Like, it doesn't matter how far down I drag it, it's going to spring right back up. As you can see, like, it's keeping its form, it's keeping its shape. Now, I don't know how I'm going to maintain this. So if y'all have done flexi rods before, can you let me know how you guys go about maintaining your hair? I'm gonna watch a few YouTube videos. I'm gonna try my bestest. But I think it looks so freaking good. I was like, you guys know and saw, I was so discouraged and was like, ooh, this was a fail, I think. But I guess you really do have to just play around with it and make it work for you, and that's what I did. I think what's also got me excited is that I don't usually like do my natural hair. Like, it's either in a low bun, or it's in a high puff, or I straighten it, or I have some type of like braided protective style. So I'm just really proud of myself for achieving an actual style on my natural hair outside of my norm. So that's what got me so proud and excited. But this is where I'm going to end this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself. Be kind to yourselves, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.